Okay, here's the 550 improved. You have 3 pounds of charcoal, and it's no problem just to screw it out, and you got a cartridge or you can refill, and you have it switchable. Meaning when it comes to you, here's the RO and the DI on. You want to just run DI, you just turn the RO on, leave the DI on. If you just want to run DI, turn the DI off and leave the RO on. This unit will always produce RO first to get it down to 2 or 3, unless you're at 600 TDS, then maybe 30. And it's designed that way. It's not designed to be a DI system by itself, because usually if you want an RO DI, it's because you have high TDS. If you just want DI, we can work that out for you. You have it working on both ways. Here's some unique features. It can come up. This is your pure water out, nice brass, not a cheap plastic faucet. You have the water coming in, again, nice brass. You have a sediment filter so you can actually see this needs to be kept clean. You can rinse it out. You have coconut charcoal, which produces up to 100,000 gallons of water, but you should change it every 6 months. It's very reasonable. So screw it out, put it in. You have an off valve. So if the water's coming in, you got some type of problem, you can turn it off. And this is sediment, charcoal. It feeds into the bottom of the RO. We may be switching to plastic instead of stainless steel. You have it adjustable. So when you first start off, you put it all the way up, and you pull off your TDS so you can see it, and you get that down. Now you have in and out. So out here is to the DI, in is to the charcoal. So you have that on, you have your in, and you keep it all the way up, flush the unit out, and then go on down to blue-white. If you have exceptionally low pressure, you could probably go down to yellow, but always have some wastewater coming out. So your wastewater is coming here. So this has been what we've been using for 4 years. We've been real happy with it. The unique features is we have one-way valves. We are the first to use the one-way valves, so you don't have any backflow. We've tried to get rid of most of the bends, so it's coming straight in, straight out. The only real bends you have is here at the DI, so that's one advantage. We have the meter here. All this for the same price you would get for all the other systems. This is a very sturdy system, and you can see how it's sturdy there. If you drop it, it's going to be all right. This is the same system I have in my van. I have the 450, 440 low PSI pressurized. It comes into my sediment, then the charcoal, and then into the system. What's unique, it goes into the bladder. I have a 100-gallon bladder, and here we go. So then I have a battery operated pump and my hose. But anyways, this is unique 550. Now here's the new pose. Here is the Sim40. You can see the length of it next to the Sim36. So what I have is 7-foot sections. The first 3 sections are 7 feet. This is the new 9-foot pole. Great pole, light, 2 pounds, maybe less, I don't really know. Haven't weighed it. And all our poles, as far as the top part comes out now, on this I glued it in because it was just designed. Now we have something unique no one else has, is the bumpers and our little hose holders. So that's a great little pole. Yeah, our curiosity. Let's go ahead and see how much that thing weighs. Okay, 1.7 pounds. It's pretty good. Yeah, the brush is going to be a little bit more. But anyways, here's some of the things that we're doing here at SimPole. Window cleaning for 45 years, now making and manufacturing equipment here in Arizona. We're the only direct manufacturer, selling directly to the public, saving you hundreds of dollars. So remember SimPole next time. The lifetime guarantee in the carbon fiber pole, the great 440 system that we've had for 3 years, but now the 550. So this is Phil Alexander signing off.